Now we're going to go through some example schemas. The three schemas I'm going to show you are, the first is for a game, the second is for concerts, and the third is for employees. The game schema. A player playing the game can play with many characters. Each of those characters can have an individual skill, which he's particularly good at. Each character can belong to a single guild, or a guild can have many characters within each of the guilds. Since a player can have many characters, the result is that there's actually a many-to-many relationship between the player and the guild. This many-to-many relationship is related by the character guild. The concert schema. In the concert schema, we have venues, acts, in other words, the names of the bands or the performers, and then every show that the act performs at each venue. Thus, between venue and act, there's a many-to-many relationship. Also, there's a supporting act for each act at each show. Thus, the many-to-many relationship between act and show resolved by supporting act. We also have categories of shows, such as jazz festival, rock concert, ice show, etc. We also have a rather interesting self-join here, where a category can be part of a parent category, as in rock shows could be divided into grunge rock or heavy rock, etc. Also, we have the ticket object, where there can be many tickets for each show, and we have a price object, which is declared separately because we could have specific pricing levels for each venue, but they could be altered by each individual show, since a boxing match will occupy the middle of the whole center of the stadium, as would an ice skating show, but with a rock concert, people would be sitting down there. The employee schema is probably the most complex, since it has the largest number of entities. In this schema, we have an employee who works for a particular company in a particular department within a particular division. Each employee works on projects based on the route through assignment and task. A project can be of a specific type, and a project can be involved with a specific product.